Welcome. In front of me is an OUKITEL WP35, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings application, and in here you want to navigate to the storage section right over here. And in this drop down menu, you'll see it should for you say the same thing, this device. So click on the drop down and then select the SD card. Now for me, by default, it should probably be named Samsung SD card, but because it was formatted using this camera right here, camera decided to name it by its own name, so it's Lumix. So in any case, I'm going to select that, and you can see that I have 41 gigs used, and from here all I need to do is just click on the three dots, select format, and then select format right here, format, and that's it. You confirm it once more and it will go through a fully automatic formatting process, which only takes a couple of seconds, and once it's finished, the card is ready to be used once more. I'm not going to be formatting my card as it does have 41 gigs of videos that I have captured that I do want to preserve, so I'm just gonna obviously not get rid of them, but like I said, just select format and you're good to go. Now with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.